Does your backlog look something like this? A to-do list where nobody really knows what's the priority work to pick up. But with ClearPath, your backlog can look like this. ClearPath is the Atlassian Marketplace's first visual backlog editor. On the Marketplace for 3 years now, it visualizes your work in the implementation order. It makes priorities clear. It makes teamwork easy. ClearPath places the work that needs to be executed first at the top of the canvas. And the work that must be executed in serial, or one after the other, that's placed vertically. Work that can be executed in parallel, that is shown horizontally. Modify your queries to show a subset of the backlog. This is going to enable your sprint ceremonies like backlog refinement. These meetings are going to take less time because people can quickly understand the order the tickets can be worked. And at any point, you can click on a ticket to view and edit the details. Do you want to build your backlog visually too? You can do that with ClearPath. ClearPath is a complete visual editor placed on top of your Jira instance. It has the Runs on Atlassian badge, ensuring your data stays on the Atlassian servers and all role permissions are enforced the same as Jira would. ClearPath is more secure than apps that don't have this Runs on Atlassian badge. Within ClearPath, you can create new tickets within Jira too. You can create, edit, and delete the links between them as well. You can click on tickets to view and edit their details. All of these changes are refreshed automatically except for the ones that affect the layout. For those, you're going to want to click this button over here to refresh the screen. ClearPath helps you prioritize your work using its analysis tools. The tickets that have the most schedule risk are identified by clicking the Sprints button. If any of these highlighted tickets slip a sprint, your whole initiative is going to slip a sprint. And the tickets that have the most technical risk, those are going to be identified by clicking the Story Points button. These are the tickets that are more likely to slip that sprint. And then the tickets that block the most follow-on work, those are going to be identified by clicking the Bottlenecks ticket. You're going to want to clear these early in your process. With ClearPath, there are not any of those meaningless wheel diagrams like some apps have to identify critical tickets. With ClearPath, there's no training really needed. Just look for the highlighted tickets. It's that easy. But if your teams work in sprints, you're going to want to check out Sprint Planning Mode. ClearPath already knows which tickets have the most technical risk and schedule risk. It also knows the bottleneck tickets. It also knows the implementation order. Just give us your team velocity and max tickets you can put in a sprint, and we're going to plan your sprints for you automagically. You can plan just a sprint at a time, or you can plan all the sprints at once. If you confirm, all the changes are going to be made in Jira for you. Sprints created, tickets moved, all of it. It's that easy, saving you so much time. Sprint Planning Mode is also a great way to estimate the number of sprints needed to execute a project or initiative to give that data to your stakeholders. Do you like experimenting with Rovo? We've incorporated that too. Our Rovo agents allow you to specify JQL queries in natural language and allows you to spotlight tickets on the canvas to find the ones you're most interested in. And ClearPath has much more. Download your free 30-day trial today. You can also reach out for a private demo with our product manager. As we like to say when we're doing Agile, you don't need a Gantt chart. What you need is ClearPath.